Hama and Ra Ukushia, the Vice President, Professor Nana Jane, Opuku, na Nijina ne say maame no hododo no yenyina asumusem nimusem na okoshia no ne ho kani koje the first so na che say aye nika na share maame no tse ne oluku sharp sa no a na bibia we ka Omanhene Mother's Day or surprising no London koye ne kodi Mother's Day na the love is deep na maame no wababedu I'm first starting raising concerns so could you to a facilitate private jet and a demand many buy and a private jet no Omu Busa say Ghana for Sika say any private jet no Yow how many jets no they buy any new now I want to say and almost so could you to my how much I also suspend it yes I'm good to yow. And also I started a trendy on social media. Say Okuja to facilitated the private jet for the woman to come to Ghana. And to almost all Mubusal says Sika say no tia Emma Mamma de Bar Ghana. Nanka Mamma in fact, agent for British Airways in Ma. And I say be Emirates and Nominade. And Nonia Greek no.
Your friend is a presidential jet, yeah.
It's a month for so good to one foreign affairs on the facility my many private jet and then about Ghana until Omer Kansika to do the
vice
president the taxpayers who TI the mama many buy. One send we can send Yasimon so an no. An annual some you na man for coach jet no.
And now we have a bayasem. Now play need us in an Indian familiar.
Familiar way. He said, I believe they say I was a very good weight. We are expecting jets. You are also expecting aviation.
Plane anywhere as a SMA.
I am many ampa. So I say, the Gumabu I didn't there. As our private jet, Abagana bear me, Numi and Sacra. Opening Cassia be pilot.
Private jet, the new now has a number.
A number never say.
What's as an many private jet. Now, but your movie and someone. I am Mammy Jane, Nana Jane, or Baye, or the Omanhene Edda Ibrahim Mahama or say the Ibrahim Mahama ye man no onim de obey because the bedside virtually or turning chair for many days. Yente Mami Jane.
We thank God for his mercies. Since you left, your colleagues, we've all missed you. We held the 120 days.
His mercies have been infinite, as always, and I'm very grateful. I express gratitude to the medical staff too, for seeing the right thing, for making the right proposals. And to my boss, that day, I don't know where you appeared from, but he came and quickly set in motion what we needed to do. And I also want to thank all of you, your prayers, for your good wishes. I can't be thankful enough. I'm very grateful. But I need to isolate beyond family and friends, your brother, Mr. Ibrahim. He stopped at nothing to ensure that I had what I needed. And then he also came to the hospital. He came to sit by me, and that was healing by itself. So, my little boss, I'm very, very grateful. So I'm very happy to be back. And there's so much
Okay, nti wo wie ye no mampani so man akwaba and in some back to Ghana
You should have been
His Excellency
there.
John Dramani Mahama.
But with all the work you did before you went, we continued, and I think that we're able to present to the people of Ghana a significant percentage of the things that we had promised. But in all this, you were missed. Ghana is safe. Things are seem to be on the right track, and you've come at the right time to come and continue the work that you so beautifully started. And your colleagues were very happy to have you back. I particularly have missed you because even traveling out of the country has been difficult. They've threatened to impeach me for, for going to Togo when you were away. So you're warmly welcome. We are grateful to all the staff outside there who looked after you, our embassy staff in London. I came there myself, and you told me how courteous they had been and how they had been of help. But I think in all this, it raises the issues of us improving our health care so that we can handle emergencies like this.
And so now senior university staff and no I'm to say no to train almost say krata naba aba krata na di can free finance buy and no almost train GTech for there and I to say GTech for there no swaba authorize universities to release sikana condition of service sikana no mo peno and is see ano there GTech Ministry of Finance the authorization no ekwa Ghana Technical Education Commission and our krata ebe to instruct University Council and he say omuntua that X amount ma omu na you see an amount and no any penny din commonality or say no bar obe jam and pam so government has yielded to their demand, so they've called off. It is student and then I say mu teachers mu lecturers no interview and can to kana dano and open one call lecture was so by shima nurses for no so rotational nurses no almost show na almost it is not musika na ya mutu ana not kusika na ya mutu yeah about 40,000 people. How many opinions on to change come on? Mr. George Johnson, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now, I'm to say. Some party for National Chairman Senior Staff Association, I need to change. And I won't come out now by an Obasa, now more change crat heavy. What are my it's me bedree, and I yet is an pay my collie of striking.
The parts are in crat and happy.
And you see how there you be smiling going to the bank.
Oh, bank there, young bank there, but with what we have, we believe, sir, the bank and the
I said the government has shown good faith.
Sure.
Okay. And you know, and they lectures be Abekoso as Maka.
Oh, and
okay.
You see, after the be a cost striker. I am man for say, a school for an I pass a show, and answer baby. And so, I just done it. Obi a sabi cost striker, and say, yes, we are Macam. It's 2% show back. And say, yes, I know. Yeah, cost striker, and yet students in Tina cost striker.
Sompa FM.
And see, we are looking for energy, my said,
You're Roger Johnson, you better see.
Okay.
Tiawa.
And a pretty danka. On says a Gina for mother can I know when you let it be. No, I be into mankind. Let it be the bar was a boss, please. Kindly find out from the Electoral Commission, PRO, the actual date. Boy, be fan. Oh,
Any one kasa. Now the PR ye man kasa. Na James Sanye. Bossman ye. Tetenie. Back on so to say. Sriboni Ejima Abrantel woman in Ejuma. There was a lady who was very Sylviano
was later made an ambassador.
To
one of the
Scandinavians. You remember Sylviano?
Very beautiful woman.
Very, very articulate.
And a later man be crab by is it Eric? Is it Jakpasu or something?
I think
Jakpasu Babe 1.5 years.
But Jakpasu was also doing well.
I know one of the
co-voter region
as regional director. Wait, there. Not so didn't cram in him.
Oh, mechanic Opoku.
Oh, man, in Casa.
Yeah, until my patron, Mammy letter. Do I say? Electoral Commission period, actual day they will pay the officials who supervise the 2024 general election.
And no, I say Kukua and Momodinya Professor Yadam for your friends say. Professor, they're not Peter, the Professor Peter Pia, and I mean Musano. Boss Masari, you're two baby, I'm a friend of Mignano. And so, Bossman, dear, come body and Ukrainian and Dr. Bossman.
And Rano, electoral officers living in Medium, Pius, or much more. Ye tuaban, ye be tuaban. Commissioner no catch or say, or Monsa Akensi Canon. Tiu, or Monsa Akenskana. And to move bia and Mimi. No Musicano, you have seen it here. Pulling officer, a Ghana. No mood. And now returning events, other pulling office, no nipa 4 and account will be as 600. And you have multiplied that by almost 40,000 or a little about 40,000 police stations. In Scanning mood. To commission can scan about the dinner. Ni omo to abani wie no mo se omo nya abotremu dis kan beba because be kada ye to mo ka che omo se omo pese e beto wie na omo se be omo de ballot papers ne ko fotro ne sa ne ma no o se omo timi de han kantino sika mu yedu kakra sa no to mo gitu mu ye bie afi omo wie ya omo so mo nya abotre
meba o asante meba
scan buy
enye electoral commission ya na tworo krata se Oma ye bibia de akoma finance ministry.
No yes say
finance minister ma wa release sika na ma omo do tia omo a wo
come and omo see later no January ho no e na omo ma me nsa ka che omo say omo de mo nsa atoma council say omo nya abotransa finance minister say omo ye some verification sana ma me ne ka kire officers no enti afi omo say free ho ba no enna omo sika no I say afi do mo ntin wo then Sikana bet account in December.
Sikana do my account to bad finance ministry say. Omo ye hwehwemu as audit be to on twan. Then you can blame the woman.
Sikana betom January November and say beto abon betom. Ya to aba wie before say January 17th.
E be on say azante.
Sikana na want to make account.
Azante ti ase. Eno de say omo ye yi ni wie a then the niema electoral commission come gazette nom ne aden e key. Me jitum say yentia omuka but say omuba wie no a na bia de chin ya na omukoye payment no maja electoral process no gazette ni ho adwuma no de e na yentia say election no disputes bebre so ba ho etina electoral commission so otwen ablekum akrase emfa mai any baby bebre ayi nsawama do agiri no hwe ahafo ano de court semi afi no mo ko gazette o enti na niam bebre o so mo ye but almost sika no so de untumi nka say o ye adwuma wa hanti no untia ma wo but by January no the abeto just say an say ma me say finance ministry so mo ntwen which means certain audits are going on
the emiso so me finding out ni say ohe enkomo na eko ni nyina yes electoral commission for no omun deal with to say ye akonta ye disika
a table so near tia
mum de omo ye ne say sika no e da finance minister na say Bank of Ghana say electoral commission dia intibia Omanhene Yaw Boakye aye adwuma say ya ma electoral commission for the krata bibia bema asante ebo ye Bank of Ghana say finance ministry say asante ebo ye na adwuma ni nyina wie nti esremo
Moon release X amount.
What else? If you want to electoral commission, and in the case of omo koye polling station wa my de ma electoral commission for na konta omo so omo challenge omo nya ne say me ya obo ama na electoral commission for farm adwuma ene ne ye adwuma me account details am de ma omo so omo ntua sika no
na mfo so ho
obo kom na account number ni da say enye and as account ne bear a different name. Te say we send this scam obi na PK catch us and fancy me number no.
Now mete me.
Mo mfasi kuku ade so.
Eti ebi mu so ayem from so.
Omo sa ebasa na obi a menka ne so otua sika ni bia ye.
Obey careful.
Yes, when you are doing. Na me tua sika ma edin we
na. Obi okra na okoye nso no ni accounts.
Mo. So enti omo no na.
So it means that there are anomalies.
Some anomalies in the raising questions. Oh, finance ministry in the Bank of Ghana.
What the Asante Ebuadi Naba and so the Boama account Naba. Why should we pay? Come and explain.
Come and explain. Come and explain. No. And I do a baby do baby.
Yeah, watch that. Because I buy some person I could tears can actually.
New ones. Maybe you say me them are providing correct.
Me fee say or send komuye audit of it.
Yes.
Now obi biara ni dino.
Any
almost separate now obi ode on one account to buy no. Ya tia ne kan ya catch them say na say school teachers and nurses omo ye bi obi on man when they find your validation is not complete yen kase no ntino the whole teachers yentu omoka eti munji omo problem wo omo ho no na muntia omo a omo ye omo ne ma no ya people will even know say who am from so ti work corner correct omo ne ma but you can't do it wholesome
for 6 months
omo issue no be bia omo ba begina e was ha ade no sikasem and then electoral commission crash for no electoral commission be wo mfom so ye but omo so crash for no mo for omo adwuma no so no omo so mfom so nketen
I ha dwen
omo ye either wo mobile money and answer wo bank account fatumi sister fatumi ma fatumi yere
Ghana for now ya Ghana for yenye wakwaji MTN sika what frame so watch them me say me o my pecho and I'm say adey so dey too so better I'm say one better o say me di omuka and I'm say na me tia kana ma o say debi and I'm say na me ntimi sende
na me no say adey na ya omo ye mobile money loans no me no wo ha no obi afra say obi di wo number e go guarantee na ya diska na ma no me wa wo dey guarantee no wo no ya process me a wo say me guarantee
wa o musame
so why should that
say no dey o yes the MTN for they are making a big mistake how say wo di me number etina just say dipa na e default a me sika beto so anu ate
wo say wo number wo guarantee me so minimum he
ene enka die besi wo bo me di wo himfa ene de o munya kra na CCTV footage ya esni of a meeting between lawyer Adeakye, Justice Kolendi and Justice Siedu no restaurant no apie na apie ye no enu ni o apanifoi ekọ restaurant kodidi ena omo ko ye Adeakye mo ni omo bon komo ni ade yaw ne ti ne yaw ti wasem wo court na me ni o ayi anti mi share restaurant o se metwamu ana because we share footage na they did not go to sit to discuss. They exchanged pleasantries like, oh, I'm saying when you are about 1 minute. And to be the 1 minute to discuss a whole Chief Justice case. Yeah.
But by virtue of the secretive nature of the case, na a hanumpo more concern. A dare be mumpo dia.
Where they went to a public place.
Wow,
and my judge for so more life ye BBO.
A bit my coincidence. A bit my coincidence and a bit my like
Jenny you say for
my you can't rule out
so then there is an ambiguity which demand say request na say injunction na ma me ne say if it is genuine I don't know muso ntwom ho.
So yes, you met at a place. Who's the first now? Question.
And I see footage I will show say I'm passing mushia.
Yes, you met at a place. And I put us a Abrante we na matter say
I say Ababi Okumi. Ono na eh.
Yes, so I'm picking it up about 8 hours ago and agree
Na some on kai watiana.
Emma Justin Cody and pain on also so at the tone page so say
okay, I didn't know my picking me ba. Why have they picked a Kumi? Are they? Because all the CCTV footage in the buy.
That's what and also footage is name.
No. You see, sad deal way. This.
So there are more videos, please.
Macho and other things now. About we, while you say yes, sad deal way. Or pilots are near maybe go. National security, who can pick it with the fear to help you investigate what? This commando style of also mujayo. I mean, and I call you also on Rashi go for you.
Yes, on Rashi, but Omo on party for no name.
Omo go do no more than a call.
Omo at the say Omuchi and Krankronumu baby.
Assemble cred. I deal with near to TB rolling the pencil. David, I said,
painting the Accra City red.
I said it that if I have to run for my life, someone will release the video. There are more videos, please. Any state agency that does not allow the president to respond to the petition, but rather want to pick me up, will cause more harm to our state than picking me. I petition the president, not BNI or national security. Leave me the hell alone. I know my leaving the hell alone. There's another one, Mami. All patrols should rush to Adeakye Kumi's house. Over 20 CID and national security officers are there to pick him up. Adeakye Kumi finally picked. What? Wait, you're afraid of fear and panic.
A convincence as if one enra Odi can be my hint of this.
So I'm much
boy no. And a bonus are not pay about a minute ago. I'm update or say about 3 hours ago. Alfred Abebio Kumi, popularly known as Adeakye Kumi, was picked up at his residence by 8 armed men believed to be officers of National Intelligence Bureau. 6 of the AK-47 golden men were in mass. This Rambo-style action by government continued to raise concerns that border on free speech and good governance.
Because Unima there, Omanhene John Mama has been touted as a person on in media relation and vilification in Niame Kono Sunyano. He's been seen as a friend of the media. He's been seen as a doyen of free speech. At a point in time, you're saying another Danko Kufado. We a media man cry. Yam Kasa Amanas Azuri Kray Jani. Anameba Yam Phantom Nanado so say on money pankasa. So Abrante na de no de betu Jano. Mi buso Tado sorry woman. Ayi Puamai wom. I deep acid wom. So if Ade we are banner based on the Chief Justice, suspended Chief Justice, what me Akoye junction now. We are privy to the information and it's true. So, oh, children now cannot know tomorrow. Are you going to gag the young man? It's a no Tiana Okasawa here, Babe Fawana. What is the meaning of this? Omanhene John Mama should bring these national security people to order because it's becoming too many.
Chief Justice Nadia Nakonta, Esha Senami Fee say, like
Adeakye Kumi.
Yes, my branch.
Asam no kind Yahweh, no cray. Say, meeting Biaco, no cray. People were daring him, say, and no cray. And what the video I bet say, they are making in here. In the court of law, the game is evidence, and and he has proven to the world, say, I did not come to sit on radio and lie. This is my proof. And true. This is the proof. Why do you arrest him?
The other videos all come once and said or one.
What are they afraid of?
The entrance of the restaurant.
Yes, there is another. They were seated.
And there's another. Omo kotenasi. As another no omo kotenasi ni. Ena Justice Yoni Kolendi Tadio sorry. No tia no mo mudi nkomo ena Tadio sorry so call the other judges.
Nkomo makwaba. Yaw maybe who yawe. Ye wo fie ana wo baby. Pani bi ba ho no obechia wa. Wo sorry koma na kwaba.
Oh yes.
Eye tradition. Eye culture.
Ebi onu nu ra ho no wa hu but hu na o sorry ko
na wa ha. E dey asem kran. Yaw ye wa hanu mu yi. Fa ne say ya bo amei. Me wo baby. Wo no family rem. Wo be jam ho akọ.
Oh David.
Wo be ba mo ha be chia me. Eti wo kwatena se a na me soma sorry. Na ma ba be chia bo ahima ne nkwala no say mo ho te sen. It's on everything is on. Na mama mo dey akọ aba. Eyi ase me koye makoto ayi Orlando. Me ye penny said dem kra me chia Orlando. Me kwatena se a Ghana ha no mo obi ba yi ase be chia wi a ye ma asedafo kra akokoma na kwa aba we ni nwanwa ne den a so what is so extraordinary about this entity national security must say never 20
media assemble me have video now mine it could be like you're saying it's full of ambiguity as how we can establish the content of the discussion. National security, the way and manner they are going about the thing, a bit to get the shine out of everything. You see, I don't know amount for going.
Say, I say you have something to hide.
Meanwhile, at the end of the day, if this video is well even investigated, we could all arrive say people crying.
It's not
no bearing to
yes.
the voting. But the way our money are brain now, I say, you know, say no crash say. Nipa say 10 say 8 or whatever bien akura wa this man can just a phone can just phone call say massa penifo see yan nte no be ka
okay do your krata say
and I say visa
do your krata man say omra e dey na be see why this Rambo star bibia na mass sana mo de cast na omusia who o mo dress yan yaw and no quite apprehension of fear it is known as assault and battery
but on my name say Rosan Banner said we see
I don't know,
but one of the Chinese restaurants. I don't know more.
You see, as I say, people getting access to footages. Maybe feel junction.
Yes, where
I am so. And can area.
Oh, this is the second. That's the way first part of the video.
Baby crow. I mean, him didn't cry. By Modi. Me yam taco did you? Oh, yeah, me taco did you?
Because
the we came in a family, no. When I mean,
there are some security questions about it. Right now, many video we say.
No, the CCTV is not because Abia, but in case
it is virtually been established by the company.
The national security,
for the safety of
the national security should find out why Adenta Kumi was able to get hold of this. Yes. Whoever gave it, no, and so it's questionable. But this footage in the man, no. It's a bona fide of the hotel.
Now in future
court and order security. It's you know Abia Obi wo ha on it Adenta Kumi war a connection. They can investigate.
Restaurant panyi nipa na oyesa kwa me anka me fire. Because right now you're putting people
no,
not be
what I'm saying is who know.
Oh, now so because people will not from today onwards.
Because they call them I'm for better.
Say na be
I say me did the idea mutual dey. On our own say Ghana house so go for wiem.
Oh yes, Akunta.
I just say o dey fan say me wa hai. Na me tired di wo ho no mo yaw. Na me tired di wo ho no ma. Na obi asi a kire. Na bi am wife so nim say me tired di wo no akohu obi. O say ya wan no ne ba. Na wa ko yi ama no a.
Video we susu ehu pa o
say
ebia time ya omura ho ya no ko ne se bia
obi a wo susu wie mu a
susu mi wie mu bia na we that wo ade bia that day no gra me catch the wife so
anu ti na ye say ade bi say na le ye mu a enya no kra e bi ade we e betima ma oba bi a chi ni kunu
na kuta otini kunu ko
say ni ye mu o
ade bi boni mu na asante o de
egu awari ade bi say ni ye mu
okay and na ye kwaba ye topic no ye ade bi say ye no na ne yie mu a ɛyɛ no korɛ asante ne bɛbi wa ne sɛ yɛ ne yie mu a alright what am I coming yawe yɛ kɔmra saa deɛ na ebu yɛ yiw dan gu yɛ no onipa bi kura ti bɛ tɔ fie tiɛ
krani bi nɔba yɛ ayɛ kama
ɔsi so ne tɔ yɛ
ama bɛnyɛ aduane adi
hwana yɛ fo wɔn kran
ana yɛ ka to wɔn ko
asa ɛgra from a place all right abusafo yeah Daniel Waba and my special guest after everything will be Engineer Kwabena Japan. You'll be joining us in the studios, Engineer Kwabena Japan. Sounds so that there's a lady I'm in to check commando pay. Also a vibe for Kwabena district Hanomo. Nagratimano, Senatma, Omube teacher for Mano, Apple.